Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Ode, class 1B. Here I made video to fulfill my English midterm exam assignments. In this video, I tell about my daily video. Okay, I just woke up and I rise to tidy and clean the bed. After that, I took a broom and cleaned my boarding house. After that, I went to the kitchen to wash the dishes. After finishing washing the dishes, I went back to my boarding house and took the home, and I feel rice, and at 10 I went to the kitchen and washed the rice 3 times. After finishing, I went back to my boarding house, then I cooked rice. After that, I had breakfast. With my friends, we had bread and milk for breakfast. After breakfast, I took a shower. After that, I changed clothes and put on powder. Then I headed to campus. When I arrived at campus, I attended lesson. After finishing lectures, I went back to my boarding house with my friends. After arriving at my boarding house, we immediately did assignments for practice. After finishing our assignments, my friends and I wore sport clothes and headed to campus to meet with friends in front of the campus. After everyone had gathered, my class 1B friends and I boarded a public transportation to get to Sulamadaha. My friends and I are still on the way to Sulamadaha. After a few minutes, we finally arrived at Sulamadaha Beach. We immediately entered the Sulamadaha Beach area. My friends and I played several games before the lectures came to Sulamadaha Beach, and there were also some friends who just sat. After several minutes of waiting for the lectures presents, he finally arrived at Sulamadaha Beach and we carried out several practices. The first practice is to soak sand 1 minute. The second practice is playing volleyball using a plastic ball. The third practice is playing football. And the fourth practice is running to get water in the sea and filling it into bottles. And the last practice is swimming practice. There are two swimming styles that are practiced, namely freestyle and dragstore. My friends and I practice swimming Inthesia et Sulamadaha. After we finished practicing, after that my class 1B friends and I and also our lecture took photos. After finishing taking photos of me and my friends, I immediately rushed to take a public transportation to go home. After a long journey, we finally arrived in front of the campus. After that, we went home to our boarding house. When we arrived at my boarding house, I immediately rushed to get food and I ate with my friends. After I finished eating, I rushed to my boarding house. Then I felt sleepy and I immediately rushed to take a nap. And now I just woke up from a nap. I immediately made my bed. After finishing cleaning my bed, I immediately rushed to wash my clothes. After finishing washing, I went to hang out my clothes. After finishing, I went back to my boarding house and I immediately rushed to take a shower. After I finished showering, my friends and I watched the cardboard film. After that, I rushed for dinner and I have spicy tofu for breakfast and water to drink. After I finish eating, I collect the dirty place. Then I walk to the kitchen to wash the dirty place before I wash the dishes. I feel the water fresh. After that I wash the dishes. After washing the dishes, I clean the sinks. Then I return to my boarding house. After that, I continue cleaning my boarding house. After finishing cleaning my boarding house, I then rested and watched a film on my laptop. After that, I made milk for me to drink. After a few minutes, I was already asleep and I rushed to bed to sleep.